Back on the South Maroochy, level looks good. Alright, time to go down river. Here we go. Ooh, start things off good. That's right. Nice one. Perfect way to start.
It's so fucking good. You're just like, man, I don't want to swim here. It's not a good
Just stay upright. Lean forward. Don't think. Just go. Out the footage. On the rock. That's it. Go for it, go for it. Get your roll, come on. Get your roll. Oh, here we go. Right, swim out. Coming. You all good?
There you go, man.
Oh, hey, bro! How you coming down? A little bit of a swim.
Good. Just got here, I was like, oh, I feel like I can change front, so I just, yeah. There we go. Back in the fucking hole.
They're riding it. Woo, freestyle. Big boats. My whole kayak can change when I got a bigger boat. Yeah, no, you don't need it. You sort of just hold your line and go.
Fucking hell, that's funny as.
See how. Woohoo! Good ending. See how ours they just screwed up. Yours will be still under as it's trying to come up. Yeah, good. Oh, my paddle. Yeah! That was sick. That's so good. My boat! Yeah. You kind of end up going faster than what you think. You're like, oh, I'm already off. Yeah.
Man, I didn't even notice the flat part.
Yeah. No.
Oh yeah, I was going to get a paddle through again. I was like,
Oh, yeah.
there you go, mate.
You service. Hey, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah, because see how that curls in? Sort of goes into this slot. So I usually come this way, and then you just sort of go peel off the rock. Right. Sorry?
Am I showing it something like that?
No, Alright, so see how that little water right on the right there is peeling off? If you aim that way as you come down, and then you nearly go off those rocks.
Okay. And that's okay?
Yeah, that's the way I do it. Woo, there's the kicker. Yeah. Ah, buried. That's the best line I've ever had. Yeah, styling. Left hook. Yeah, left paddle. Yeah. Yeah. Don't follow me. Oh, there's a GoPro in here somewhere.
Oh, really?
Dan got hit on that tree one day. Yeah. Oh, we'll rip up, get the cars, and then we'll just come back.
Andy, you brought your boat, eh? Straight from your car. Yeah. You able to get the other one? Yeah. It's just you and me, really. Because you're good to play if you want. Well, you can try my boat out if you want.
How are you getting up there?
Oh, true, your car. I'm an idiot.
I'll take care of it. Stop, you're running, dude.
Fuck, I'm an idiot.
Why wouldn't he want to take the car like that?